Now this is currently in a folded state and it just sits behind our kitchen door. So I'm going to open it up now.
Like this.
So you stretch it out, then you go down inside.
Put your fingers in there.
Go down inside, and there's a clasp on each side. And then it just
we move the hands
folds down.
Do you want to climb up?
And then Josh gets in like that. And then
we don't recommend
you put the baby in before you actually get it to where you're meant to be.
Yes.
So we're going to put ours at a countertop today to make some cakes. So as you can see, it's now at the countertop. And in he goes. Say hello to the camera. Say hiya. He's very excited about being in it. So there we go, that's that. The kitchen helper. It's about £100 and it's worth every penny. Although the Learning Tower is almost identical, it doesn't fold up. There is also the Fun Pod, which is available. I'm not sure if that folds or not.
It doesn't look like it does.
No, but this seemed to be the best option for us. Plus, it matches our kitchen. There is a blackboard on one side of it, and on the other, there is a whiteboard. Isn't there, Josh? Josh is busy starting his cakes. Now this is currently in a folded state and it just sits behind our kitchen door. So I'm going to open it up now.
Like this.